My name is Eric Johnson. I'm a lead instructor of advanced technology here at MakerspaceCT in Hartford, Connecticut. Our students here are high school age, many of whom are eager to learn a new technology and learn how to marry digital design technology with physical materials. The kids get excited about using tools they haven't used before. They love that hands-on part. So much of their education is on a Chromebook, simulated. Here they get to use real materials and 3D print real objects. One of our programs here at Makerspace is called Make-enable, where we teach high school age kids 3D printing, and the things that they print are prosthetic devices, and we donate to people in need. That's a wonderful program, but some of our students showed potential for design, and that first program didn't include any kind of design training. What we'd love to do with Make-enable 2 is add a design element, teach design thinking and CAD training, to then have our students find a problem in their community and then design a solution to it, print that solution, and then put that solution into place. This allows our students to exercise their compassion as well as their ingenuity and a little bit of urgency to help improve their communities with their design skills.